Yeah, now it is fine.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was saying that I am an English teacher and I teach since 2011. I am teaching English.
Oh.
So tell me, what are your hobbies, Ritika? What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to ride with my father. And right now I don't have my football here, so I can't play football.
Okay. So are you there in Sagar
Nice
for vacation?
Yes, there's a nice terrace. So I and my sister always play their hide and seek.
Okay, that's nice.
And which can you tell me your hobby?
My hobbies is reading books and talking with people.
Reading books.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English, ma'am. And what about you?
English and economics.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Economics.
What does that mean?
You know geography?
No, I don't have those subjects in my school.
Oh, so you will have, these are higher secondary subjects. So when you go in higher secondary, my dear, you will have these subjects.
Okay.
So tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like going to park and I like eating outside.
Oh.
I like eating pani puri.
Okay.
And in your free time, ma'am?
I hardly get free time, my dear. Okay, do you know what is pani puri called in English?
I don't know, ma'am.
Water balls.
Water balls. I and my sister have fun with water ball. Water balloon, not water ball. It's very fun.
Yes. So you play with water balloon during Holi. Okay?
Yes,
and,
during Holi it's my favorite.
Yes. And you say about pani puri, then you use the word water balls.
Water balls.
Yes.
Do you like this?
No.
Why? Are you a vegetarian?
No, it's too spicy. I don't like to eat spicy stuff.
There is spicy one also and sweet one also.
Yes, I can take sweet one.
But when I eat sweet one, I want to eat something spicy.
So then you change, is it?
Yeah, if I will say, Mommy, I don't want sweet now because my neck is hurt.
Okay. Tell me, which is your favorite festival?
I like Holi, Diwali, and what else was? There's one festival when Krishna's birthday comes. I don't know, when we climb on the back.
Janmashtami.
Yes, my birthday is. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, your camera is off.
Oh, here I am. Okay, so tell me about Holi, Ritika.
Holi, I like Holi because it's a festival of colors and we have to, what do you say that?
We apply color.
Yes.
To each other. We play with colors. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem, my dear. Yes, so we were talking about Holi.
Yes. Do you like Holi?
I don't like Holi, but then yes, I do celebrate the Holika. Holika festival that is done. That
Ma'am,
puja, Holika puja.
Ma'am, do you take fast?
Do you do fasting? You cannot take fast. No, I don't do fasting, my dear.
But my grown-ups do that. My father.
Elders.
Elders do that.
Yes, they do.
So
Have you?
you are also elder, ma'am. You're also elder.
But I don't fast.
You don't
So
take
tell
fast.
me. No, I don't do fasting. We cannot take fasting. So take is not the correct form. Okay? You say I don't do fasting.
I don't do fasting.
Yes. Okay. And tell me, what do you like about Diwali?
Diwali is a festival of light. Oh, my sister.
And
I like Diwali because Ram was free from
Lord Ram.
Yes, Lord Ram saved Sita Mata. That's why.
Saved Sita from where?
Ravan caught her. She was in prison for a long time. That's why.
Yes, correct. And they came back to their hometown.
Yes,
So Diwali is celebrated.
that's why Diwali is celebrated.
Yes. Oh,
Yes,
great.
ma'am. My sisters are disturbing me. They're coming here and there.
Okay, no problem. You don't pay attention to them. Okay? Now, tell me, what do you like to do when there is a festival? Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to invite people? Do you like to go to others' house for treat? Do you call relatives and treat them? What do you like the most?
I like to do shopping. It's my favorite.
Oh, shopping.
And I don't invite people, but other people invite us.
Very good.
Because my house is always messy because of my sisters. And if I clean it, they will again make it messy. That's the problem.
Oh, okay. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? 3.
3 younger.
Oh, okay. 3
I am the
eldest. You are the eldest. I am the eldest. Yeah, okay. So,
Do you have siblings?
yes, I have one elder sister.
Oh.
But she's married and she doesn't stay with us. She stays with her husband.
Don't you miss your elder sister?
Yes, we do meet and we talk to each other. So tell me, what do you like to shop? You said you like to go shopping. What do you like to shop?
I like buying new clothes, frocks, pant and t-shirt, and new hair belts.
Oh, yes, I can see that. You're wearing a red color hairband.
Shopping? Do you like shopping?
No, my dear, I don't like shopping.
What do you like, ma'am?
I like reading, my darling. I like to read. I like reading books. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, if you don't go shopping and your clothes are not fitting you, have to go to shopping.
Sorry?
So,
repeat that
shopping
again.
is my most favorite. Ma'am, if your clothes are torn, so you have to go to shopping, but you don't like shopping. I like it because I have to push the cart.
Oh, yes. So, in that case, if my clothes are torn and if there are no clothes, then I shop online.
online. My father also does that. I said, no, Papa, don't buy online. It's very boring.
Why?
I
Why
like
it is
pushing
boring?
time. It's just like we are driving a car.
Okay. So you like to go in these malls, take a cart, and keep adding whatever you want, and
Yes.
you keep pushing the cart. Oh, that's nice. That's smart.
Do you like pushing the cart?
No, my dear, I don't go for offline shopping.
Why?
I don't get much time for that. And whenever I get time, I am doing other household chores.
But on Sunday and Saturday is holiday.
No, it is not for me. I work.
That's so sad. Even my mother does that.
Yes. So working is good. And yes, Christmas is coming. Do you know? Christmas is on a Sunday. Yes, 25th December.
So in school, I think I will have an activity to do.
Yes.
Then I made something. I will show you what I made.
Yes, you please do. And enjoy yourself on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve. And have all the goodies, have all the fun, eat a lot of chocolate and cake.
Oh. Ma'am, will it snow in Mumbai? No.
No, it doesn't snow here. Now it is hot and humid.
It doesn't snow in Mumbai or in Sagar because it snows somewhere else.
It snows in Leh, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, in the north.
Oh, there are some mountains which are covered with snow. There it snows.
Himalayas, yes, like the Himalayas, the Himalayan mountain. And there are a few mountains in these places. Shimla, Manali, Kullu. Shimla, Manali, Kashmir. So the snowfall is mainly in the north.
So, ma'am, in those cities, there are beach.
No, there are no beaches. There are only mountains. It's a hilly area, Ritika. So there are no beaches. There are mountains.
Okay, so it means there are no, if there are mountains everywhere, even near houses.
Yes, but the place where I live in Mumbai, there are mountains nearby, and yes, if I have to travel, there are beaches also. So there are both mountains as well as beaches. Yes.
In Mumbai,
there are beaches.
In Sagar?
I don't know about Sagar, my dear. You would tell me better, no? You are in Sagar, no?
It's very fun here in Sagar. I don't want to go to Mumbai.
Okay, fine. Great. So tell me, are you reading or what activities do you do to improve your English language?
In my school, no one speaks Hindi. Even my friends. But some kids who speak Hindi. But there is one girl, my friend Aradhya. Aradhya knows English, Hindi, Marathi, she knows all the language.
Oh, nice.
Only 3 languages, English, only 3 languages.
Oh, that's nice.
How many languages do you know, ma'am?
I know 4 languages.
Can you tell me what are they?
Hindi, the national language. Foreign language, English. My mother tongue, Punjabi. And the state language, Marathi.
Wow, you know 4 languages.
Yes. And I practice a lot. And I have practiced and I'm still practicing. So it is a lot of practice, my dear, that you have to put. If you are practicing any language, you have to invest a lot of time.
Ma'am, even my uncle, my mama also knows so many languages. He said to me, I said, he lived in, his shop is in Delhi. He said that. He knows so many languages.
Okay, great. That's nice. So you should try and learn from him. You should practice.
I will.
Yes, and when you grow up, even you will know 3 to 4 languages. So that will be very good.
That would be nice.
Rika? Yes. So, my darling, we have come to an end. The session will end now. And thank you so much for your time. Keep practicing, keep reading, and enjoy yourself. And play with your sisters. Okay?
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes, yes.
Did I make any mistake?
No, my darling. You were fine. Just keep practicing. Okay? Don't stop.
I only made mistake having fast. That was wrong. Doing fast.